Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm coming to you with the second video for the Kroger mega deal. Kroger, Fry's, Smith's, I think Ralph's, whatever affiliate store that I just mentioned, they have the mega sale going on. Please do not worry about the paper towels in the back and the pods or anything that is not included in this video. So what I did was it's buy 5 save 5, and you get the sale price that's marked if you buy 5 participating mega sale items. Okay, that's how it works. So you have to buy multiples of 5. I bought 15 items here. It is 20 items here, but I did a separate transaction yesterday. If you guys checked out my video, I bought 4 of the Kleenex and the box of Pampers wipes and only spent $1.65. So I just wanted to include that with this whole big haul since it's a Kroger's haul. So today I did 15 items. I did 4 Palmolives, 1 pack of the Pampers, 2 Febreze, and 4 Juicy Juice, 4 more of the Kleenex wipes, okay? So 15 items, and I'm going to break down each group for you. So the Kleenex, they are on the mega deal for 79 cents. When you buy multiples of 5, you get it for 79 cents a piece. So I used the 50 cents off coupon from Kleenex.com. I used 4 of those. So they brought it down to 29 cents a piece for the pack of 24. And make sure you are getting the 24 pack. They are included. Another pack is like the orange reddish color. That's like a 20 count. Don't get that one. Get the blue ones. There are 4 more in there. Okay. So I did 4 of those to 29 cents a piece. Then I did the Pampers wipes. The Pampers wipes are on the mega deal. Also, these are 99 cents on the mega deal. We do have 50 cents off coupons. I use the digital 50 cents off, so I just clipped that to my card and used that. So I got these for 49 cents a piece. I only use Pampers. I don't do Huggies. So glad that that was on the mega deal. Then for the Palmolives, the Palmolive 20 ounce. They are on the mega deal for 99 cents. So I went ahead and got 4 of those because we can only use this fries. You can only use up to 4 like coupons. The other fries I go to is up to 5. But I was by this one, so that's why I got multiples basically of 4 of everything and an odd number or some stuff. So those were 99 cents a piece. I used the 50 cents off tags that I got, I think last month when they had the mega deal. These were attached on it. So I went ahead and grabbed a few more. I used 50 cents for that. So they became 49 cents a piece. So 49 cents for the 20 ounce is good. They also have the higher ounce bottles, I think like 32.5 or something like that for $1.99. You can still use this and just get it for $1.49. So either way, it is a good deal, but you know me, I'm on a budget. I don't like to pay anything over $1 for any item. Okay, so the next item is the Febreze. This was out the blue. I wasn't really going to do this, but we had digital coupons. So we had the digital coupons 3 off of 2. $3 off of 2 Febreze product. These are on the mega deal also for $1.99. So I got 2 of those, brought it to $3.98. Used the $3 off coupon, digital coupon, 98 cents to 49 cents a piece. So boom, that was a digital also. Then for the Juicy Juice, this is the hot deal of the week. Basically, the Juicy Juice is on the mega deal for 99 cents. Some regionals have the 75 cents off of 1 Juicy Juice, and some have the 50 cents off 1 Juicy Juice. I had the 50 cents off that made them 49 cents a piece. Whoever has the 79, of course, it'd be like 29 cents a piece or whatever, 24 cents. But That's a good coupon. But this is also a good coupon too if you have the 50 cents off of one. These made them 49 cents a piece. So I just got 4 of those because like I said, that store is up to 4 like coupons. So I went ahead and got 4 of these in this transaction. So 49 cents for that. Then, so yeah, so all my coupons, all of them came off. What I calculated, I should have been spending $6.55 out of pocket. But when everything was done, the subtotal was like $7 and something. I'm like, wait a minute, you know, $1 is short. She added everything up and went ahead and submitted a $1 coupon on there. So I spent $6.05, making it like 40 cents a piece for each item, which is an awesome deal. $6 for 15 items. Hello. I was trying to get under 5, but I wanted to go ahead and get some more items, so that's why I spent over $5. But this is the only time I do the Febreze is if I have the digital coupons. This is the only time I buy Febreze, if I can get it for 49 cents. If not, I do not buy Febreze whatsoever, because you rarely have a good coupon for Febreze. So here is my receipt right here. And there's all of my Juicy Juice, my 4 of those. My Febreze, I have 2 of those. My Palmolives, I have 4 of those. The Kleenex, I have 4 of those. And the Pamper, I have 1 of those. As you can see, my Pamper came off for 50 cents. And the Febreze, as you can see right here, the e-coupon, only $2.99 came off. So they shorted me a penny, which is okay. Whatever. I think the e-coupon, I think that one, I had 2 coupons on my card. And it was buy one, get one free. Or it was the save 3 when you buy 2. So it's the same thing, because on the mega deal, they're $1.99 on the mega deal. And when you buy 2, you save $3. I mean, I still saved because they're $1.99 and $2.99 came off. So actually, it is a good deal. That was completely free, plus a moneymaker if you think about it. So the buy one get one free looks like that came off, because I don't see the e-coupons for the complete buy one get one, buy 2 get the $3 off. So I think that's the coupon that came off, so buy one get one free. But you know, whatever, I don't care. 40 cents per item is fine with me. I didn't have any other issues with that, anything. So here is with tax $6.85. Before tax was like $6.05. All right. So if you guys can get out this week, I believe the mega deal usually go on for 3 weeks. I'm not sorry, 2 weeks. It's usually good for 2 weeks. Sometimes the deals do change each week. But sometimes the good items still stay on the mega deal. So if you can get out, please get out. Make sure you print your coupons from Kleenex.com. Get your coupons for the Juicy Juice. I do have some available. My Instagram, Contour Styles. I believe the P&G will have Pampers coupons. And yeah. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.